Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call